In today's video, I'm sharing with you how to make this amazing pie, this sweet pie, and trust me, your kids are going to fall in love with this delicious recipe. Try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I added in flour, sugar, grated nutmeg, vanilla extract, baking powder, and salt. I then stirred together till well combined. Once everything has come together, I went ahead and added in margarine. You can use butter in the place of margarine in case you don't have margarine. Now use a fork to mash it and make sure it has formed a breadcrumbs consistency before going in with the wet ingredients. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once everything has come together like this, go ahead and add an egg, cream cheese, and milk. So in replace of the cream cheese, you can use butter, but I prefer using cream cheese. It makes it more light and more delicious. But if you don't have cream cheese, you can use margarine. You can add in more margarine. So in replace of the margarine, I think I use 50 grams of cream cheese. So if you don't have the cream cheese, you can use 50 grams extra of margarine. Go ahead and mix it till well combined. Transfer it on your work surface and then divide it into 2 equal parts. Keep one aside and add red food color to the one that is left on your work surface. But this is totally optional. If you don't want to do all this, just go ahead and roll it like that. But I prefer making it 2 colors, to attract people, to attract the kids. So roll it and then work on it until it has come together like this, and then sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface. Transfer the one without the color on it and then roll it in a square shape. Go ahead and cut off the excess and then brush on top with water, just water, before placing or before putting the red one on top. Make sure you roll the red one same size as the one without the color, and then cut off the excess. When done, all you have to do is to roll it and you are good to go. So as you can tell from the video, this is it's very easy to make, and you can even involve your kids in it. They'll help you and send out so delicious. Trust me. When done, make sure you press it to make it a little bit flat before brushing on top with an egg wash, and then go ahead, make any design on it. You're good to go. All you have to do is to cut it into smaller pieces and then go ahead and bake these bad boys. So this is what you're looking for. When done, bake these bad boys at 180 degrees Celsius from 25 to 30 minutes. 180 degrees Celsius from 25 to 30 minutes, and you're good to go. Just look at it, guys. This is crunchy outside, soft inside, and it's also delicious. It's sweet as well. See you till then. Bye.